In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your USDT address on Binance. Open Binance app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Tap on wallet icon at the bottom right corner of app. Tap on search button and type in USDT in the search bar. Tap on USDT from the search results and you will see options. Tap on deposit, and it's crucial to select the right network for your USDT deposit. Network is how USDT sent. Using wrong network may result in lost funds. Verify with sender or check your originating wallet for correct network. After selecting network, you will see your USDT deposit page. You will be given QR code and actual address. Different networks will have different address. Tap copy button, 2 squares next to address, and it will copy address to your clipboard. Then paste address into another exchange or wallet from which you want to send USDT to. Alternatively, give address to person who is sending you USDT. Ensure you inform them of correct network to avoid any issues.